Please let's join up just 1 minute. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be looking at some strings algorithm. What are those algorithms that we can use to manipulate a string? We're going to find out that to perform a given operation on a string, you can have several ways you can do that same operation. So we're going to start with a very simple one, and I'm going to give us an assignment. How can you write different algorithms that you can use to reverse a string? That's the assignment. Please take note. The assignment is write different algorithms that you can use to reverse a string. So there are up to 5 of them. So I'm going to give us the simplest one using a slicing trick. That's the one I'm going to give you. So I want you guys to give me the rest of the 4. Is that clear? So research it is online everywhere. So by so doing, you will learn how to use algorithm. What did we say algorithms are? Samuel, what are algorithms? Steps used in solving a problem, arranged in definite order. Algorithms are what? Steps used in solving a problem, arranged in definite order. You understand? Starting from the starting point to the ending point. That's what algorithm is. And the assignment I'm giving you, I'm repeating it again. Write out the various algorithms that can be used to reverse a string. And I said there are up to 5 of them. But now we are going to take the simplest one, which is using the slicing method. So by tomorrow, I want you guys to give me the rest of the 4 of the algorithm. Once you search it online, you're going to see all of them. Is that clear? You can use the join method. You can use the plenty of them. There are plenty of them. But I'm going to be showing you the slicing method. So I'm quickly going to share my screen to show you that. So after writing out all of them, you're going to tell me why do we use this and why do we use that. And with that, we're going to be learning about the big O. You're going to know why will you choose one algorithm as against the other one. So please, let's look at that. So we're going to be looking at the simplest algorithm using the what? The slicing method. Are we there? So I quickly created a file. I call this stringrep.py. So create a file inside your RDS folder and call it what? Stringrep.py. That's the file that I have here. So how do you reverse a string? So most likely you're going to be creating a function that has the steps, isn't it? That's most likely what you're going to be doing. Is that clear? So I'm going to create a function, and to create a function, we say what? Def, isn't it? Then we'll put the name of the function. So the name of this function is going to be reverse. The name of the function is going to be what? Reverse underscore string. So that is the name of my function. And you know that for your function to work, you need to pass in some argument that it's going to use to work, which are the properties. So the argument I'm passing is the string itself that we are going to be reversing. Okay, so that's how you declare a function in Python. And when you come down, you're going to indent 1. Then you write, what do you want this function to do? I simply want this function to return the reverse string. And there is already a way of reversing string in Python by simply writing the string, putting the square brackets, and putting double colon and -1. So that's how you reverse a string in Python. Just say the string name and inside square quotes, put double colon and -1. Very as simple as that. That's how you reverse a string. So let's try it out on something. Let's try this out on something. So we're going to come down here. Let's try it out. Let's create a variable called R and use that function we created, which is what? Reverse underscore string. That's the name of the function we created. So let's use it and try to reverse a string. And the string we are reversing, the name is what? Turbo in capital letter. Turbo. Okay. So having reversed the string, we want to print it so that we'll see the answer. So we simply say what? In small letters, print R. So we're going to save this, Control S, and we're going to try to run it. You can see that, okay, I'm having an error. Line 9. This is supposed to be only 3. This is a way of writing comments. So I'm going to save again, and then I'm going to run. So you can see my turbo has been reversed to what? Uproot. Can you see that? So let's say I go and reverse A, B, C, D, A. If I save this and go and run, you can see that my A, B, C, D, A, that's the A, B, C, D, A has changed to what? A, D, C, B, A. So it reverses it to the other side. So if I'm reversing, say, banana, if I save, I go and run, you can see banana reverses to what? Anana. So this function reverse string is able to reverse. And you can see that we've given several inputs and it's also still able to reverse. And that is one thing about algorithm. Any algorithm that you write should be flexible so that when you input other things, it should do the same function. So this is one of the ways of reversing a string by writing a simple function and using the slicing. This is a slicing technique. But there are other ways you can use to revise this. Give me as an assignment. So write it out and use it to reverse some strings and make sure that they are working perfectly. So by tomorrow, I'll be expecting you to do that for me. And with that, we are going to come to the end of today's class. Remember, everything you want is in Christ Jesus. The fastest way to success is by being a born again. Thank you. See you later.